the intervals come in between that. Sting of it a little bit for O'Sullivan. He's not been involved in the last couple of frames at all.
បាទកាប់គួតកុំព្យូទ័រស្វិតស្វាញបាទចុចត្រាំកំពុងតែគ្រប់គ្រងមកយ៉ាងល្អបាទទម្លាក់ល្អណាស់
This is just the sort of opportunity Trump was hoping for.
បាទតដំណើរវែងឆ្ងាយបាទចុចត្រាំចាត់មួយអេមតែម្ដងបងប្អូនបាទឱកាសល្អនៅតែមានពីចុចត្រាំបាទទម្លាក់បានទៀតបងប្អូនអូយញិចធ្ងន់ដៃតិចអត់បញ្ហាទេ
Get quite as high up the table from that as he wanted. Hoping that a chance comes his way. He's going to have them soon. Trump is going well again.
តដំណើរទៅទៀត
Side of the blue, but enough of being the wrong side. In other words, not too straight. Point he can go around the table through the bowl.
បាទល្អណាស់បាទ
Nice camera shot to show the
ចុចត្រាំ
problem he's faced with there. Decides to hold. He's been looking in these long ones, but
បាទបន្ទុក53ហើយ
cool.
បាទឱកាសអាចតន់បងប្អូនចុចត្រាំស្រង់ដើមមិញហើយ
Right hand red of those three will pop in the same pocket as the black. It's handy. Have to play a cannon.
បាទសវីបន្តកន្លែងនេះ
That's turning into another great session of snooker this afternoon was good.
បាទយ៉ាងណាយ៉ាងណី
Trump's playing well again.
កាសមាសឱកាសប្រាក់បាទបន្តដំណើរកន្លែងទៀត
Well, Trump's happy enough to clinch the frame, serve in succession.
បាទខោកញែកកន្លែងនេះ
Conceivable, he could complete a hat trick of centuries.
បន្ទុក70ហើយ
And now in play with 69, albeit facing a tricky pink.
បាទអត់ទេចុចត្រាំ
69 under pressure.
យ៉ាងណារូនីតាមក៏អត់
So Trump has
which
pulled
are they
another
really?
frame back. O'Sullivan's lead is now reduced to 8 to
ដល់
6.
ឆ្ងាយដែរហើយខ្សឹល
The great fight back here by Trump, now trailing
8
by just
ទល់នឹង
2
6
frames. Remember, he had been 8-3 down at one
Yeah,
point.
well,
As we rejoin the action in frame 15,
could they
no
high?
players yet to score.
ចាំមើលបន្តទៀតនៅ2 frame ទៀតទេ
Well, red sprang off another red to an unexpected angle, but
បាទកន្លែងនេះបន្តរូនីអូសាលីវ៉ាន់ងាយស្រួលទេបងប្អូន
November sure.
បាទ
He couldn't get to the potting angle. The middle pocket,
ទីយើងសេវាមកដល់កន្លែងនេះ
and he'd been unfortunate enough
បាទអាចបានទេចុចត្រាំ
starter.
បាទទម្លាក់លើគោកតែម្ដងបងប្អូនអត់ជាបញ្ហាទេ
Certainly things getting quite interesting
ចុចត្រាំ
now. Trumping again on first in his frame. Black out of play for
ការ
now.
ល្អទៀតហើយចុចត្រាំ
Concern.
អាចតន់បងប្អូន
Not that suggests that he couldn't win the frame in this
ទូ
visit.
ចាប់ផ្ដើមរំកិលទៅមុខហើយ
Although
ពី
he
ជុតត្រាំ
didn't because he could.
យ៉ាងណាឱកាសល្អនេះមិនងាយមានទេ តាមពីក្រោយ3 frame ជាប់គ្នា បានទេពីជុតត្រាំសាកំលៀតកាន់តែគៀកមែនតើហើយមកកណាត់កូនក្រហមដូចជាអត់ពិបាកអីទេបងប្អូនបាទសេរីប្លង់បន្តយោយបាទ27 ពិន្ទុ